How to download TikTok video without Watermark. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get started right away. And by the way, if this video was helpful, then please do let me know in the comments. But basically, what you want to do is simply go to a TikTok video, for example, this one. And first of all, you want to make sure that if you want to use this for commercial use, then you should definitely make sure that you are actually allowed to use the video that you're downloading in. If you just want to save it in your Photos app, then by all means just go ahead. What you want to do is click on the share button basically, and then click on copy link right over there. That's how you can copy the link. If it's not there, you want to look for it in here. Then we want to go to your browser and search for Snaptic. That is a website meant for downloading TikTok videos. And here we can go ahead and paste in the link. Then click on download, and then you'll just have to wait a little bit. You might even have to do like some CAPTCHA verification, but I actually did not. And then basically over here, you simply want to click on download. And then here you can download it. And then click on here, go to downloads. Here you can, for example, view it as well. As you can see, the watermark is completely gone, which is great. And then you can click on share, and then here you can see save video. And if you click on there, then it will actually be saved inside your Photos app. So that is basically it. That's how to download TikTok video without watermark. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.